Hi, we're Ed and Julie Danen. We have a family operation milking 80 cows on 260 acres of land near New Hamburg, Ontario, Canada. We have 3 children, Rose, Emily, and John, who help us out with our operation as well.
We were involved with my parents' farm. As part of our succession plan and transition, we decided to separate the dairy herds. So in 2008, we were finally able to make our dream come true and build a dairy barn here. We've come through a number of challenges. When we moved into the barn, we were coming from an older freestall barn that was quite overcrowded. They had a number of different issues when they came this way, and so we've been slowly working our way through some of those as far as foot issues, as far as reproductive and condition on the cows. But now the last year or so since we've been working with the Alltech products, it's really picked up.
With our 105 kilos of quota that we have, we've been able, since we've been improving the herd and feeding with the Alltech products as well, we've been able to get the cow numbers down to 80 cows to fill our quota. So that's made us a lot more profitable as well.
When we go out on farm and we talk about our Dairy Advantage program, we often take feed samples that we analyze. We also do some fermentrics and make sure that the technology that we apply to that specific farm will be successful.
And each farm has a particular condition. Each farm has his own problems, issues. These programs are not come from offices or are not come from laboratories. They are come from farmers.
Silvio has basically become part of our nutrition team here on the farm. Now, because we're managing to a higher level, the things that we adjust are much more intricate. It's been very good to have somebody of Silvio's capacity on our nutrition team.
Probably for a year and a half, we struggled with a low butterfat, and since we've been on those products, the butterfat stayed fairly level for us.
The stability of the butterfat, the stability of the other solids within the components is telling us that the rumen is a much more stable environment now. By doing all of that, we've been able to get better condition on the cows and improve reproduction. We are reducing our services. We've gone from about 2.3 services per conception. We're now down to about 1.8.
For each dollar that the family puts in that cow, the return was $4.
Alltech, they're trying to fill those needs of the farmers and take it to that next level and see how they can help us improve our operations. And I think that's a great thing to have.
There's always something that challenges you, and so the challenge is fun too. That's part of the, what's the next challenge?